Let us see in this video the difference between Dall-e and MidJourney. Both are image generation engine. So first let's go to the Dall-e. So I think this is the first page. When you sign up or login, it will take you to this page. So you can type any text or you can use surprise me. So it will use some random text, and let's see how the image will be generated. And let me also pass the similar text into the MidJourney. When you go to MidJourney and join the beta, it will take you to this page, and you can choose any of the new page and / imagine. Hit this page, we'll see the prompt and enter the text over here and just hit enter. So it will take a few seconds to generate. Let's see how the Dall-e has generated. So I think the Dall-e is also generating the image. So this is how the Dall-e image looks like: an oil pastel drawing an annoyed cat in a spaceship. Alright, so let's see what is that MidJourney is proposing. Usually MidJourney takes a time much more than the Dall-e. Okay, this is what is generated by MidJourney, and this is what is generated by Dall-e. More or less something similar. Let's go and check the next one. So let's see next, crayon drawings. So let me use the C other than the PLC ring. So generate. Let me use the similar text. Go to the MidJourney. Imagine space and then enter the text and click on the enter. It will take again a couple of seconds. Okay, this is what Dall-e is generated. How about our MidJourney? Excellent. This is what our MidJourney is generated, and this is what our Dall-e is generated. More or less quite a similar one. Let me go to the MidJourney and pick some of the image already generated. Probably let me take this, a woman in a dress playing in the sea cooler. Okay, let me take this, go back to MidJourney, sorry, Dall-e, this text, and see how the images will be generated. Excellent. So this is the Dall-e images and this is the MidJourney image. Quite a difference.